Hello everyone, in this quick video I will show you how can you manage the life cycle of Azure Blobs. So for that we need to go to Azure portal, and I have already created a container named images in a storage account. So let's go to data management, click on lifecycle management. Here you can add new rules based on your requirement. So I will click on add a rule button. Here I need to specify the name of the rule and then the scope of the rule. So whether you want to apply this particular rule to all the blobs in this given storage account, or do you want to restrict it with your filter. So I will limit it with the filter, and then blob type you need to mention. So I am going with the default one, and the subtype you can also define. If you want, you can select snapshots and versions as well. Click on next, and this is the actual rule what we are going to define. So here I am saying whenever the images or the objects are more than 45 days old, then move them to cool storage. Even you can archive them and delete them based on your requirement. Click on next, and then you can define where all you want to apply this filter. So because we said that we do not want to apply across all the blobs in this storage, now we have to provide the names of the containers wherever you want to apply this filter. So I want to go with the images because this is the name of my container, and then click on add. You can see that the new rule is created and it is in enable state. Now we need not to do anything. This rule is automatically applied to images folder, or you can say container. So that's how easy it is to manage the life cycle of your containers. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Thanks for watching.